the Travelers, Old India, Episode 1, Splash Attacks. Summer was almost over. Soon, Finny and Mandy would be starting school. Right now, they were folding laundry. Dad has almost finished moving to the attic, Stephanie. We don't have a lot of time left for our photo trips. When school starts, we don't have any time at all, Mandy sighed. The children looked at each other. We shouldn't waste a single moment. When he tossed her sock into the laundry basket. Mom and I are in the kitchen, Mandy said in a low voice. Maybe we can sneak upstairs. Let's go, said Winnie. They ran up the steps. Once they were inside the attic, Mandy grabbed the photo album. Look, Winnie, exclaimed Mandy. We almost at the end of the album. She showed him how many pages were left. I can't believe how many trips we've done, said Winnie. This is interesting, said Mandy, pointing to a new photo. A Norman stood in a boat by a river. The sun was setting behind him. Something glowing leaped out of the water. Can you tell where this is? Asked Mandy. Vinny shook his head. Well, we're about to find out, Mandy cried. The picture glowed brighter, and the children's eyes closed. Soon they were spinning down the dark tunnel. Mandy and Winnie fell in soft soil. They could hear shouts and laughter. Where are we? Asked Mandy, standing up. They were in a small village. People were running and laughing. Two women hurried over to the children, holding small cups. They splashed as Winnie with colored waters. Gross! What is this? Screamed Winnie. The front of his shirt was soaked bright red. He rubbed at the wet stain. Everyone is splashing each other, said Mandy, looking around. The sea was filled with people holding cups, laughing loudly, touching each other, throwing colored water. What's going on? Asked Winnie. A boy splashed Mandy. Hey, cried Mandy. Her sleeve and part of her arm was stained purple. The boy set down his cup and put his hands together in front of his chest. Hello, he said, bowing slightly. His face, arms, and clothes were soaking in many bright colors. The children imitated the boy's greeting. Benny introduced himself and Mandy. I'm Goshay, said the boy. Is this your first time here? Winnie and Mandy nodded. What's going on? Asked Winnie. It's a spring festival, shouted Goshay, picking up his cup. He splashed someone running nearby. Everyone was soaked with different colors. Mandy noticed a cup someone had dropped. She picked it up. There was still some colored water inside. Oh well, if you can't beat them, join them, she said. Mandy laughed and quickly splashed Goshay and her brother.